Hey guys, Mr. Will here. Video lesson for the Denominators for June 1st, 2020. Wow, June 1st, 2020. How time flies. This is your last week of online instruction, last week of the school year. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your perseverance and your patience as we made the move to online learning. It has been a pleasure to work with each one of you. And I wish you guys the best of luck. Hopefully you have a happy summer and that you, for those graduating, that you come back and you visit quite often. But getting ahead of myself, we have a lesson today. We have a video lesson and assignment tomorrow. There is no problem of the week. There are no IXL lessons. We have a class meeting on Thursday. And then we have a parade Thursday afternoon from 3 to 4 that I hope you guys can see. It would be very nice to see your face. I'm going to wish you a happy summer and congratulations in person. So without further ado, we are writing and graphing exponential growth functions. Okay, now if something grows exponentially, that means it's multiplied by itself. And there is a formula. Surprise, surprise, there's always a formula. There's a formula for this. The formula is y equals a times b to the power of x. Okay, so this is the formula for a function that is an exponential function. Okay, so what we have here is it says write the rule for the function. Okay, so we have x and we have y, and we're looking at how these increase. So it looks like here, -2 to -1 looks like it goes up by 1, plus 1. 2 becoming a 4, that looks like you would do that by multiplying by 2. Okay? It's going up exponentially. -1 to 0, that would be plus 1. 4 becomes an 8 by, that's right, by multiplying it by 2. Oh, not by 4. Geez Louise, I saw the 4 and wrote 4. By 2, yes, because 4 times 2 gives you 8. Next one, 0 to 1 gives you, that's right, plus 1. And to 2, plus 1. Looks like our pattern has continued because 8 times 2 is 16. And then 16 times 2 is indeed 32. So you can see that in the beginning, maybe not so much of a big deal. But as these numbers start getting larger, exponentially, an exponential increase can go up quite quickly. Okay, now that is the rule, but again, we need to apply it to this function. Okay, because the the y values are multiplied by 2 for in every increase of 1 for x. So the table represents an exponential function in the form of y equals a times b to the power of x, where b equals 2. And what that means is it's going up exponentially by 2. Okay, very good. Now, that's not the rule yet. Now, what we're going to do is we're next going to find the value for a by finding the value of y when x equals 0. When x equals 0, so if x equals 0 here, so that would be y equals a, b, and that would be a 0. What we know is y a equals ab 0. Ooh, well, that's a terrible b. My pen got stuck. AB 0, that equals a times 1 equals a. Okay, now the value of y when x equals 0 is 8. So a equals 8. Okay? Now, if a equals 8, we can write the function rule. The rule for the function would be y equals a is 8 times 2 to the power of x. Okay? So that would be the rule for this function. So let's review what we've done. Number one, we have a function table. Okay? We are trying to see what we are going up by exponentially. We can be going up by 3s. We could be adding 3. We can be multiplying by 3. But we are going up exponentially. Okay? That means each time it's going up by a certain amount. Okay? Now, the second thing that we're going to do is since in this case, since the y values were multiplied by 2 for every increase of 1, the exponential function of the form y equals ab to the power of x, where b equals 2. We found the value of a by finding the value of value of y here when x equals 0. When x equals 0, y equals ab to the power of 0 equals a times 1 equals a. Therefore, a equals 8, the value of y when x equals 0. And then we take that and we plug it into our rule, which is here, and we would have our function rule. Okay? So I'm going to give you 4 function tables, just like this one, and I would like you to work to write the rule for the function in exponential form. Ask questions, work hard. I'll see you back tomorrow for your last video lesson. Thanks, guys.